The next thing I'm going to talk about is eyeshadow. So I nearly didn't add eyeshadow to the list of products that I think you have to have in your makeup kit because I've created looks without an eyeshadow palette, and for the first year or so of my makeup journey I did not own an eyeshadow palette. So like, and I'll still wear makeup anyway, right? So I feel like it's not something that you have to have, but if you like playing in color, if you're someone who likes playing in color, then you definitely need to have at least one eyeshadow palette in your kit. Okay, so for eyeshadow palettes, I said this in my last video, that I would recommend that you have a colorful palette and a neutral palette, at least those two. Then you can start exploring other color stories and stuff like that. But for neutral palettes, I would recommend the Morphe 3502 palette. It has like a lot of neutral, warm tone, brown skin girl friendly shades. Okay, so you can definitely get that. I think it retails for about 120 cedis. It's not cheap. It retails for about 120 cedis, 145 cedis in some stores. You could definitely get that, but if you feel like Morphe is a bit too pricey for you at the moment, Cara Beauty has really good dupes of a lot of the Morphe palettes, so you should definitely check them out. I feel like Revolution Beauty also has a lot of very affordable what's it called, eyeshadow palettes with like a lot of different color stories to like pick from. Their mattes are good, their shimmers are okay. Like, for starters, you can definitely get any of the Revolution Beauty palettes. Also there's J Cat's Beauty, also really good eyeshadow palette. And another another brand that I'll highly recommend for eyeshadow palette is Focalure Beauty. They have like a retailer in Ghana, Focalure GH. They have really pigmented, nice eyeshadows for really affordable prices. I think you can get an eyeshadow palette for as low as 70 cedis. So yeah, definitely check them out. I'll try to put as much as I'll try to put as much information as I can in the description, so please check out the description in case like you missed something. Next on powders. So for powders, basically you need two types. You need a setting powder to set your under eye, and then a finishing powder to set the rest of your face. So I'll normally recommend powder palettes, because sometimes in one powder palette you can get enough shades to like set the rest of your face, to contours. Maybe sometimes you get a shade that you can like mix to bronze and stuff like that. So I'll definitely recommend that you check out Flawless Ivy. I'm talking too much. Flawless Ivy has this powder palette that comes with a blush and a highlight, so you don't have to go and buy those separately. And then ZKL Cosmetics also has one like that, so you should definitely check those two brands out. So that's all for finishing powders. So for setting powders, I have 3 recommendations. One, the Coty Airspun loose setting powder. It's a translucent powder. Then there's the Black Opal invisible setting powder, also really good. And then Maybelline Fit Me loose powder. Like, if you have any or all of those 3 in your case, like, you're good to go. I know that Beauty by AD, which is also, I don't know if it's a Nigerian or a Ghanaian brand, but it's an African brand, they have really good setting powders as well. So if you don't get any of the 3 that I mentioned previously, you can look into getting, they have, Beauty by AD has a translucent one, they have like a medium deep, they have like a banana setting powder, and then they have like a deep setting powder. So Beauty by AD is also a brand that you should definitely check out if you're looking for setting powders. up is lip liners and lip gloss. So I feel like you don't particularly need lipsticks. Like, they're nice to have, but you don't particularly need lipsticks, whether you are a makeup artist or you're just doing makeup for yourself, because a lot of the people I've worked with as a makeup artist prefer nude lips. I think that's the wave lately, like nude lip. I feel like every girl needs to have a lip liner and some lip gloss in her kits, okay? So I'm not really picky about those things, about lip liners and lip glosses. You could get different varieties in any cosmetic shop, or even at the makeup stand at the Merida Mall, any of the malls actually. Like, there are lots of different options. If you want to explore color, if you want a brown, you definitely get a lot of options that won't cost you much at all. So for lip liners, I'm not really like picky and choosy. Maybe it's because I don't have money. Maybe when I get money and I'm buying the MAC chestnuts, then nobody will speak to me, you understand? But for the time being, that you understand. For lip glosses, lip products, well, it's not a big deal like that. Next thing I think that you absolutely have to have in your kits is mascara. Look, it really stresses me out, okay? It really stresses me out when I go out and like I see people who have done their makeup, like, you know, like those subtle makeup that you wear to work or to church, stuff like that, makeup, and they don't have mascara on. Like, but what are you searching for in life that you don't have mascara on? So like your face looks snatched, okay, but your eyebrows, I mean your eyelashes, are powdery. Who does that? You definitely have to have mascara in your kit, okay? You definitely need to have mascara in your kit. But I'm not really picky about mascaras. Like, anything goes. I mean, just to like put some color back into your eyelashes, because for me, most of the time I wear false lashes on my lashes anyway, so like it's not really a big deal, is it? In fact, wait, if you've watched this far, you have not subscribed to my channel. Look, I've been talking for what, 30 minutes? I've been talking for quite a bit of time, okay sis? So reward my talking by subscribing to my channel and click on it. Look, it's a fight though. Let's quickly wrap up this video because I've been talking for ages. Next thing we're going to talk about is not a product, it's a tool. Brushes. Like, whether you're a makeup artist, a beginner makeup artist, a pro makeup artist, somebody who does makeup for themselves, somebody who does makeup for her mom when she's going to church, you need to have a set of brushes. I'm not gonna go into what you should be looking for if you are looking for or if you're purchasing a brush set or anything like that. I'm not going to go into that in this video because it's like, if I do that, we're not gonna close, and like it's 5 o'clock already. I'm not gonna do this. So I have a video up shortly, like talking to you guys about what you should be looking out for if you are purchasing a brush set, okay? I'll have that video out shortly, but in the meantime, what I want you to take away from this video, if you don't even take anything away from this video, is that you need a brush set. So you better start saving to invest in a good brush set, okay? The final tool I want to talk about, or the final makeup product tool I want to talk about, is beauty blenders. Now for beauty blenders, I don't have much to say about beauty blenders. Like, we all know beauty blenders, we all love beauty blenders, but the only thing that I'm going to say is Batman Beauty. So that's it, that's the tweet, okay? Thank me later. Like, check out their IG, Batman Beauty, and like, if you're not blown away, okay, if you make a purchase, like if you buy a beauty blender from them and you're not blown away, text me, I'll give your money back. So definitely check them out. I think those are all of the products that I think you have to have in your makeup kit. In the next video, I'm going to be talking about the things that well, they're nice to have, but then you can still like create really dope looks without them. Then I'll also be giving you hacks, tips and tricks for creating those kinds of looks without those products anyway. Okay, all right, so this is the end of the video, guys. If you guys enjoyed watching the video, please give it a thumbs up. If you learned anything from this video, let me know in the comment section down below. How have you guys been? Like, what's up? You miss me? I know you miss me, like, you cannot lie. Okay, I know you miss me, and I miss you too, boo. I miss you too. Like, how have you been? How are you coping? What kind of videos would you like to see going forward? Like, let's chat in the comments. I will respond to every single comment on all of my videos. Like, what are you searching for in life again? Look, definitely leave me a comment down below, guys. I'll see you guys in my next video. Mwah.